Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I'm going to teach you how to make chicken pulao at home. For that you need onions, tomatoes, garlic, ginger and green chili paste, lemon. We have made all the vegetables into paste, chicken cut into pieces, our spices, rice, oil. Now let's get started. Now in a frying pan, pour some oil and then add in the chicken pieces so that they are all fried for our chicken pulao. Constantly stir the chicken so that it is cooked properly. And the chicken is almost cooked. Now we'll remove the chicken from the stove. Now for 4 cups of rice, we are going to rinse it properly with water. Now let the rice soak until it is little softened, and on the stove we will put a cooking pot, and now we will pour some oil. Now we'll add our onions, which we had chopped earlier, and let them fry until they are golden brown. Add the chili, garlic and ginger paste and cook it into it. Now add the fried chicken, which we had earlier fried it. And mix the chicken as well. And let it cook on the low heat. When everything is cooked well, then add the tomato paste into it and mix it as well. Add the salt, Garam Masala, Coriander Powder, red chili powder, and mix the spices properly. And let it cook slightly. Add the yogurt to the mixture and mix it properly as well. Add more garam masala. One cup water and cover it for a few minutes and let it simmer on a low heat. Add 7 glasses of water for 4 cups of rice. Full teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of garam masala again, then cover the cooking pot for a while. Let the mixture boil, then we'll add our soaked rice. Add the 4 cups of rice into the mixture. Stir the mixture properly and let the masala mixture soak into the rice. Add the lemon squeeze and let the rice absorb the masala mixture. Add the parsley and green chili into it. And cover the cooking pot with a cloth on top of the cover and let it simmer on low heat for 10 minutes. Rice are ready to serve. Mix it before serving.